You probably tell people you have insomnia because of your genes, or maybe you think your sleep issues are just a bad habit you need to break. Most of us use these terms interchangeably, but sleep genes, sleep disorders, and sleep habits are actually three completely different things. Mixing them up is exactly why so many people end up chasing the wrong solution for years. To really fix your rest, you have to understand how these three categories play together. Think of your sleep genes as your internal blueprint. These are specific stretches of DNA that influence things like your natural melatonin production, or whether you are a morning lark or a night owl. Having a certain gene variant doesn't mean you have a medical condition. It just means your biology has a specific tendency. It's like having a sweet tooth. It's a lean, not a life sentence. A sleep disorder, on the other hand, is a formal clinical diagnosis like sleep apnea or narcolepsy. You can't diagnose this just by looking at your DNA. A doctor has to look at your actual symptoms, how long they've lasted, and how much they are ruining your daily life. You might have a genetic risk for insomnia, but that doesn't mean you actually have the disorder until it crosses a specific clinical threshold. Then we have sleep habits. These are the things you actually control, like your screen time before bed or how much caffeine you drink. The problem is that a lot of generic advice treats habits like they are the only thing that matters. But if you have a genuine disorder or a strong genetic pull toward a late internal clock, no amount of blue light glasses will fix the root cause. The real insight is that these three things overlap. Your genetics load the dice, but your habits determine how those dice actually land. If you understand your genetic baseline through something like a DNA report, you can stop guessing and start building habits that actually work with your biology instead of fighting it. It's about having a map of your own body so you know when to tweak your routine and when it's time to see a doctor.